Segmentation fault is a runtime error which occurs in a program when any program code try to access any memory location which is not allowed to access. And the main reason for segmentation faults are: first is when we try to dereference any null pointer or any invalid pointer, so in that case this fault occurs. And second is when we try to access any index which is out of the bound, so in that case this fault occurs. So let's say we have a array and we have 10 elements, so 0 to 9 is the index for that array. So if we try to access index 10 of that array, so this error will occur. Next is buffer overflow. When we try to fill buffer and at some point that buffer overflowed, then this error will occur. Next is our stack overflow. So we have a stack memory in our program, so if we try to fill all memory, and if that function is called so many times, and that memory will filled fully and overflowed, in that case we got a stack overflow error, so which is our segmentation fault. Next is when we try to access any non-executable code, so in that case we got this error. And another area is also when we try to access any protected memory, in that case also we got this segmentation fault. And next is our operator overloading. So yeah, so in C++ we have a feature which allow us to write a implementation of operator using custom data types and class objects. So in that type we can write our we can implement our own logic to use those operator. Let's say for example we want to compare two objects. Let's say we have class of a character, and that character has two objects, and we want to compare the strength of two character in our game. So we can use our equal operator, then overload this operator where we pass as a parameter one parameter as a one object of that class and character, and also which is calling that operator overloading, so we can use that also. So we compare the strength data inside that operator overloading, and then we can pass as a result true false whatever the result. So it is the example of this. Next is the inline function. So in C++ we can mark any function as a inline by using the inline keyword, so that compiler will knows that this function can be written in the place of the function call, so that we can optimize our code. So it is very useful when we have a repetitive function call in our program, so we can use this inline function there, so that our function body will be injected into that place where function is called, and our code will be performed faster. Another also we can have advantage, like we don't have any function overheads, so that we can use their function code there, and also we don't have to use function frame stack, so that we don't have to manage the variables and returning pointer there, which makes our code faster.